I was like, what's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I am Mitchellette, and this is Immaculate Life. I hope you all are doing well, and of course, staying safe. On this channel, I do hair, I do vlogs, I do hauls, I do unboxings, I do whatever my heart's desire. So do me a favor. If you are new here, you might as well just go ahead and subscribe. Subscribe to this channel, turn your notification bells on, so that way you'll know when a video dropped. So, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. As y'all can see, y'all, I'm so super excited. Look what I got. I'm so excited because I want to share this with you all, and I cannot wait to show you the actual bag, y'all. So, real quick story before I go into it. As you all know, if you haven't seen the last vlog, I'm gonna make sure I post it up here somewhere, or I'll make sure I leave it in the description. If you see my last vlog, you saw that I went to two outlets. I went to Tanga outlets and I went to Carolina Premium outlets, and I purchased the handbag from the Tanga outlets, and then I had to take a drive and go find the second item that I wanted to go along with this. So anyway, I have been working, and I decided to go ahead and treat myself, and I'm so glad I did. This is a fall handbag, and it's not a hand, it's more of a, well, I'll be showing you all that in just a second. Real quick, I went to the Carolina Premium outlets right after I left the Tanga outlets. And so what happened was, when I was at the Tanga outlets, I went into Coach to get me a handbag, and I noticed that every single bag that I get is always black. And y'all know how I am about black. I love black. And the bag that I had in my hand was a crossbody handbag with a zipper, and it had gold hardware. And I was like, when I got to the line, I was like, something was telling me not to get it, because I stopped and I started looking at wallets, and then someone came in and I was already in line. Then I said, you know what? I'm not gonna get it. So I went ahead and left Coach, and I started going towards Michael Kors, which is actually a couple of doors down from Coach. And when I walked in Michael Kors and I saw this handbag, I was like, y'all, it caught me. It caught me, y'all. And so I decided to go ahead and purchase it, and I did. So let's go ahead and get into it. This is going to be a quick video. So y'all know how I do my videos when I do like unboxings and stuff. It's usually maybe like no more than 8 to 10 minutes. So I'm not going to hold y'all. Let's get into it. Okay, y'all. So I am back. And I went ahead and took all the papers and stuff off the bag so that we could save time and stuff like that. But I did do a reel on my Instagram that I'm gonna try to post it in the video, or you can go check it out on my Instagram. And my Instagram is Immaculate Life. And the other Instagram, I'll make sure I promote both my Instagrams. The other Instagram is Immaculate Impressions. So y'all be sure to go check that out. So let's go ahead and get into it. So y'all, I'm going to start with the bag first. And as you can see, the handles are brown. Y'all, let me just go ahead and pull it out for you. I fell in love with this bag. So, and I'm gonna be sure, if I can find it, to leave a link. And again, I got this from the Michael Kors outlet. So, you ready? So, y'all, isn't that cute? And I have a reason why I purchased this one. But they had all sizes. They had a small size and they had a medium size. But for some reason, this size got me. I felt like I was doing it. With this, you know what I'm saying? I felt like I would be doing it. But it has Michael Kors on the front. And y'all, usually I don't wear bags that actually have the name brand on the outside. I don't like for people to know what I'm carrying. But for this one, I didn't mind, because actually I'm going to be using this one like when I'm going to be like doing a solo date. I'm going to work on the outside, like if I'm going to Starbucks or you know, whatever. So I'm going to be carrying like my equipment, like my books and stuff with me. So I thought this was pretty cool, and I can also wear this to the shop when I go to the salon if I have a long busy day. But y'all, I think this is absolutely awesome. It has this little tag, I can't even get it right, but I'm just gonna call it a leather little tag here, which I thought was extremely cute. It has this Michael Kors emblem right there, which is super cute. Nice handles on the inside. I didn't take the paper out of the inside because I kind of wanted to keep the shape. So it has gold hardware. It's absolutely cute. Here is the strap. It was rolled up separately. I thought that was really, really nice. You can kind of put it on your shoulder like that. Most likely I'm going to be carrying it like this because I really, for some reason, there's something about carrying the bag like this. I just love. But anyway, and on the inside, I'm going to show you the inside. So I'm going to take the paper out. I'm going to actually save this paper because I really do want this bag to keep its shape. So, and it has some bubbles in it. But on the inside, it has, let me show you the inside. So on the inside, it has a zipper. Still has a little piece, little paper right there. I'm going to take that off. So I took a little paper off. And then it also has two inside pockets right here on this side. It's deep, y'all. It's really deep on the inside, and I absolutely love it. So, and as you can see, it also has, if you can get close, it has micro cores on the inside, all over on the inside of the bag. I think what got me with this bag was the denim. I love denim, anything, denim bags, denim hats. So I thought this was extremely, extremely cute. I like how it folds on the inside. Y'all, I'm just super, super excited about this bag. This bag I got from the, like I said, I got it from the Tanga outlets. I fell in love with it when I walked in. Y'all, if I could find a small one closest to it, I'll try to post it. But I'll probably try to put it in the video. But y'all, I fell in love with this bag. So if you want to know the price, the regular price on this bag was $560. I paid $238 for it. So this is something that I wanted to treat myself, and I think that the other bags was like in the 160, 180 range, but I'm sorry, I had to get this one. This one, it stood out. This one got my eye. I fell in love with it, so I went ahead and got this one. So you all tell me what you think. I absolutely love it, and I am super, super in love with it. I love it. So, yeah. Now, let me show you the next thing that I got from Michael Kors. So, after I left, remember I was telling you in the beginning that after I left the Tanga outlets, I also went to the Carolina Premium outlets in Smithfield. And I ended up getting this, y'all. Yes, I went ahead and got the matching wallet. I felt like, I said, you know what? I gotta have the matching wallet, y'all. Look at that. Gold hardware. Very nice, y'all. When I tell you it's very nice, very nice. And look at that. Look at the inside. It's got some card pockets where you can put your cards and ID and credit cards and stuff. It also has another zip on the inside. And then that is really, really nice. And in all these compartments, y'all, I'm just saying, what y'all saying? And it has a Michael Kors card, a care card telling you how to take care of it, which is really good. And it has this. So if you don't want to carry your bag, you can just carry this instead. And then also, look, more places for your cards, y'all. Places where you can put your cash. Y'all, I just fell in love with this. I really, really love it. And I'm so excited about it. If you want to know the price on this one, the price on this one was $268. I got it for $73. Overall, you know, I just decided, I was like, you know what? I have to treat myself to something because I haven't been, you know, able to do anything or purchase anything because I've been super busy. I've been working and I've been doing everything that I needed to do, especially last month. I mean, when I tell you I worked every day last month, I just had to get myself something. So you all tell me your thoughts. Tell me if you like it or not, because I love this. I love this. And be sure to check out my reel I did on Instagram. And yeah, that is all, y'all. I appreciate y'all for watching this video. This was really, really fun. I truly enjoyed it. And be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, y'all. And like I said from the beginning, turn those notification bells on. That way you know your girl dropped the video. Yes. Leave questions, leave comments. And don't forget to go check out my Immaculate Impressions YouTube channel. I haven't posted anything yet, but I'm trying to get that organized and get that, you know, get that straight. And I appreciate y'all. If you're wondering about my earrings, I got these earrings. I cannot remember. I think I got them from a Charlotte show that my cousin was hosting. The shirt came from Nasty Gal, I think, and And that is it. Necklace came from Nasty Gal. Jewelry came from TJ Maxx, and actually all the jewelry came from TJ Maxx, except for this. But I appreciate each and every one of y'all. Please, please, please let me know your thoughts. Y'all have a great and blessed week.